listen, he's at the end of his rope, searching for a little bit of hope. Some meaning, purpose ain't clear, wanna know why he's here. Is there anybody that can give a reason for breathing? Lies screaming at him, you will die here, cause nobody told him that you could fly here. He's like, I guess I'll get high here, get a couple thrills, make my bed, then lie here. Yeah, till the dirt hit the box, and the mud's public on the block. I'ma treat the bottom like it's the top, let it spin and watch, pray to God it don't stop. Hoping this is one big dream, and that I feel a kick and wake up with a scream, staring up from the bottom of the totem. My plans, who wrote them? Yeah, I wish the author would intervene.
The bottom like the top like the bottom. I try to convince myself that I like it at the bottom, but I'm broken. Switch me up, switch me up, switch me up. In the darkness, switch me up, switch me up, switch me up.
Good morning, he's mourning in casket fresh, dressed to die, he ain't left his mattress there. Slept in his black suit all night, he turned and tossed in a pine box bed that so resembles a coffin. No peace, in his mirror's a goblin, in his ear is the doctrine that death is the new life. That's what the grave here is trying to get in his head, that every day here's the night of the living dead. Zombies whipping a hearse with some rims on it. Anytime he mentions the church, they spit phlegm on it. Them ballin', sipping the embalming in his grave, but still feel like that him fall. Night I hear him calling, Jesus, I need ya. In my dreams, I still hear the screams of the reaper. Think I heard a preacher say he died for people, so please, I beseech for release, evil.
I treat the bottom like the top like the bottom. I try to convince myself like it at the bottom, but I'm broken. Like switch me up, like switch me up, like switch me up. In the darkness, like switch me up, switch me up.
Feeling like I'm one strike away from the bleachers, one crossover from hanging up the sneakers, flipping through the tube. Yeah, another crooked preacher, water for my problems and nonsense that they teach us. Left school early, couldn't deal with the teachers, just doing the job. They ain't really reach us. That's what he yells as he reaches for the reefer. Audio death, full blast out the speaker, and so I speak up and let them know I'm not just here to beat the beat up. I'm here to show you ain't just so you can reap, bruh. You gotta show you just can't live with your feet up. You gotta grow and move to your next destination. Man, I know a God that can level any level that you face. The creator that your heart's been chasing, living water from the basin. My God is amazing.
I treat the bottom like the top, and the top like the bottom. I try to convince myself that I like it at the bottom, but I'm broken. Switch me up, switch me up, switch me up. In the darkness, switch me up, switch me up, switch me up. I treat the bottom like the top, and the top like the bottom. I try to convince myself that I like it at the bottom. Like switch me up, like switch me up, like switch me up. Darkness, like switch me up, like switch me up, like switch me up.